Hey guys, Taylor here, National Sales Director for Devices at ChromebookParts.com. Today we're going to be looking at the TWT TW350XG. Nice retail packaging on this one. This is one of their Victory line of gaming headsets. So a little bit different than the other things they make. Let's take a look. Yeah, I always like good retail packaging. I don't know what it is. It just feels good. So we have a couple things in here. So this looks very familiar compared to a lot of their other products. But being their gaming line, this is a fairly new model, just came out a little over a year ago. Boom mic, really like this is actually metal accents on each side. We have an additional cable here. So this is great. Because it's a gaming headset, they give you a USB-A cable in the box, as well as the 3.5. Same cable, both of them have an independent volume control. There's a dial on there for each one. Nice that's independent on each one. You don't have to try to swap that. Let's take a look at how easy that cable is to swap though. Nice moisture wicking pads on the ear cups. It's almost like a memory foam ear cup. That's nice. This cable just pulls out. The other cable slides right in. Then you're at USB. You're ready for a PC plug-in. Really nice to be able to just swap that easily. I like that too. If a school is using gaming headsets year over year and wants something that they can replace a couple things, especially those ear cups being those moisture wicking, obviously it's going to be soaking up sweat and things while you're playing. Being able to swap those and not have to replace a full headset is really cool. Fully braided cables, like everything they make. If there's any knots that ever get in it, they're easy to take out. They're abrasion resistant. Microphone, flip up to mute. Rigid posture, so it's not gonna bend, get out of position. I actually like that. I know a lot of gaming headsets have a flexible mic to be able to reposition them. I like having the rigid microphone. It's just less to think about. It can't get twisted to point away from you. It's always going to be right where it should be for the optimal audio as far as input goes. I think this is a great gaming headset. And that's it for the TWT Audio TW350XG Gaming Headset. We'll see you next time.